Today, we'll see how to use and form possessive adjectives in Spanish. In any language, adjectives describe nouns. To describe this house, I can use the adjectives big and blue. To describe this dog, I can use the adjectives cute and little. Possessive adjectives provide a specific type of description, to whom the noun belongs. My big blue house, or their cute little dog. In English, the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. As usual, our chart is divided into first, second, and third person, as well as singular and plural. So, this your is for things that belong to you, singular, while this plural your is for things that belong to all of you. In English, we use the same word for both, so it's normal if the difference isn't obvious right away. Now, here's the equivalent chart in Spanish. Mi, mis, tú, tus, su, sus, nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras, vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras, su, sus. This chart shows that su and sus are used for the English their. Remember that ustedes, the plural you used in Spanish-speaking countries other than Spain, also goes in that third-person plural box in the bottom right. So unless you're in Spain, you can use su and sus instead of vuestro. It's the same for formal and singular. If you would use usted with the person, your will be su, not the informal tú. Note that this tú is not a subject pronoun. Tú with an accent means you, but this one without an accent means your. So, Spanish has a similar breakdown to English, but it adds another layer of agreement based on the possessed thing or person. Singular, plural, and for nuestro and vuestro, gender. For example, to say my in Spanish, we have two options, depending on the number of nouns that are mine. If it's one, or singular, the word is mi. Mi hermana, my sister. If it's two or more, so plural, we add an s not only to the noun, hermanas, but also to the possessive adjective, mis hermanas. This goes for the rest of the possessive adjectives as well. If you're talking about more than one noun, you add an s to the possessive adjective. For nuestro, and in Spain, vuestro, there is also gender to consider. If the object you're describing is feminine, change the O at the end of the word to an A. Ella es nuestra amiga. And like other forms, we add an S for plural words, whether they are masculine or feminine. Ellas son nuestras amigas. They are our female friends. Ellos son nuestros amigos. They are our male friends. Remember that in Spanish, whenever you have a mixed gender group, you default to the masculine form. Ellos son nuestros amigos, even if the majority of the group is female. One last thing. Unlike in English, you don't use possessive adjectives with body parts. Instead, you use definite articles. There's a video on those in the description, but let's see an example. To say, my head hurts, we say, me duele la cabeza, not mi cabeza. To say, brush your teeth, we say, lávate los dientes, not tus dientes. Okay, let's practice. Select the correct possessive adjective in Spanish for the given word, then pronounce the phrase out loud. Pause here. Okay, aquí están las respuestas. Número 1. Me gusta tu camiseta. 2. Nuestras familias viven en México. 3. Ellos siempre gastan su dinero. 4. Ella lee sus libros. 5. Yo necesito mi mochila. 6. Él se lava las manos. Did you remember that body parts, like manos, take definite articles and not possessive adjectives? Nice job! That's it for possessive adjectives in Spanish. You can find more language learning resources and videos like this one at lingolearner.com.